Psoriasis. In Ayurveda, it is called Kidara-Kushtam or Yeka-Kushtam. Psoriasis is the most important chronic skin diseases in the present world. Why it is caused and what is the reason, still no one is able to find out. It is an unknown disease according to science. But if we take the important symptoms of psoriasis, the cells that are present in our skin, if they are secreted more than the normal levels, then skin becomes full of dryness. And the dryness of the skin, when it becomes more and sheds like a scales of the fish, that condition is called psoriasis. When the psoriasis is observed, it just appears as a dry skin. But on careful examination, you can see the impact till the inner layer of the skin's deep layers. When it gets affected like that, skin becomes dry and scales like silver scales are formed. Skin becomes thick, looks blackish. For a few of them, it becomes reddish also. In Ayurveda, this disease occurs when Vata and Pitta gets aggravated in the human body. That is when psoriasis tends to occur. In Ayurveda, a few reasons are already told for the occurrence of psoriasis. For example, if we take toxic food, if we take a lot of unhygienic food which are not clean and are not preserved properly, when we eat such food, in intestine, amam, that is sluggishness is created, and the 7 minerals of the body, Rasa, Rata, Mamisa, Meto, Hasti, Mata, Sukram, the changes that happen in the 7 minerals is considered to be the main reason for the psoriasis. What happens in such cases is, to fundamentally cure this disease permanently, Vata, Pitta and Amam, we have to rectify all the problems and the toxins have to be excreted and expelled. Then we can cure psoriasis for sure. In Ayurveda, there are a lot of things that can be done for psoriasis. In Ayurveda, Abhyangam and Kili Polichal are used. That is, in Abhyangam, we take care of the skin, that is increasing the natural resistance power through various medicinal herbs. For example, Seemagati, Carbogarisi, neem leaf. We have to prepare medicated ointments using these leaves and we have to apply it throughout the body. After applying it, the patient is allowed to remain with that oil for at least 45 minutes. What happens is Kledana, that is, skin becomes soft and pores start to open and the thickness starts to reduce. When it starts to reduce, we apply a paste which is made up of all herbal leaves and apply that paste all over the body. As we apply it regularly, the scales get peeled, starts to expand. In such situations, we give the patient who suffers from psoriasis some steam bath. When we give the steam bath, let us see what is the effect of this steam bath. The steam itself is created using a complete composition of medicinal herbs. The steam that comes out of this will open the pores that are present in the skin and the scales are automatically expanded. Now after the scales are shedded, the new skin will form and it will have a very good nature. With internal medicine, we will reduce the amam and increase the immunity of the skin and resistance. Psoriasis can be 100% cured.
According to ancient medical science and according to many saints, the month of Adi is best suitable for